Yeah, people, big up on yourself. You see me? Big up on yourself, and I sat there. As you can see, I change. We used to have my channel name Real Jamaican Food. But brother, I don't really have no time for cook and a post. You see me? So the time I really did for do that. I'm there contemplate from what day I say, yo, I change the name to Real Jamaican Life Experience. You see me? Because I tell us say, as a Jamaican, I feel we have some of the most extraordinary experience in life, overall, growing up and all them something there. Separate from apart from, other places in our world, maybe down like all the Middle East, them places, them experience are different. I not sure I go down there or but just I come from a perspective like growing up poor then, you know. We grew up poor. Most Jamaican kids grow up poor and grow up tough. You see me? Yeah man. Grow up poor and grow up tough. Brother, I have stories can talk for days of how me grew up and the things them what me experience in a life and which part me reach in a life now. Um, you know, from where I was to where I'm at now, it would seem like it's a great blessing. It is a great blessing. It is a great blessing. It is a great blessing. Because when you come from little or nothing to have something is a great blessing. You know, some people in a life, them have for one probably 2 house, 3 car, have probably 10 million in their account to say them successful. While for your next man, just probably having a place where you can pay rent and even have a 1 car when you can drive would that be success for him? Because enough away I come from a place where a board house to live in. We know a board house all our life. So if you just be able to in a house built from block, you feel like you elevate like from 1 to 10 in a minute. You see me? Enough Jamaican news, enough how we grow poor, rough, you know what I mean? Can't find food at night time, you know what I mean? One room, everything you see I take place and all them stuff there. And them thing they affect youths, you see me? Because when you see another youth, and you see him have the big house and him father have the car and him mother have the car, you say Jano and him have the bicycle. You say Jano, why me can't have that? The most we have one little swing song. You see me? Most we have one little swing song. But them life they kinda good and bad still. Because I feel the kids to grow and have everything what they want to make them happy and comfortable. And at the same time, them life they make enough kids grow and they're mentally strong. You see me? They're mentally strong and then tough. You see me? I feel me one of them youth, they make me tough. You see me? Especially when me in there Jamaica live, it make me tough. Like when me there Jamaica live, no matter my situation, me just no stress, me no feel stress, me no feel depressed, me no feel no type of way. Because I just know say, oh, tomorrow is a better day. You see me? Yeah man, tomorrow is a better day. Yeah, and as me I say, them life they growing up, it can help build you, but at the same time when you look for another youth and you say you have it and you don't have it, it frustrates into your brain. You see me? It frustrating as a youth growing up. Me I tell you say you're good as a father, if you go get youth, set a foundation as a father, make sure your youth them not grow and go through where you go through. You see me? You know fear. If you go get youth, you have to go out there and make sure you do everything what you need to do to make sure your youth them happy. You can't when you get youth, you can't think about your happiness again. You have to think about the youths them happiness. You feel me? I have to put the youth them first. Yeah man. I'm just there I reflect boy. I reflect on my past, brother. Now no shoes to go to school, one uniform me I wear for 1 week straight. Well no wear for 1 week straight, but a one uniform me have so I wear 2 days and the dirty, I have to wash it and press it next morning and them something. You know, we have to hot the iron pan cool and them something because we not even have electricity. But I mean, that's when I get TV. I must be born in the early 2000s I get TV. TV coming to my house. When I watch TV, I have to go out my auntie yard, because my auntie have TV, my uncle yard, because he have TV. Them look life there, you see me? Fridge, I don't know if we have fridge. I don't know when we get fridge. I have to go buy ice or big ice. I tell you, them life the rough. Them life the rough as a youth. Because as a youth, you're smart and you say, God, why we have to so poor? Why we have to so poor? But at the end of the day, I don't have a mother who always a try. Always a try. If I have to go pick Guinea per morning time, she go buy Guinea and I have to go pick it, wake up and go pick it. Carry go to her location where she go sell it and all them stuff there. And then I have to go back home to go to school. You see me? And when I grew up, I did rough, you see me? I don't take talk from people, so more time I don't get no lunch money. I have to walk to school. Yeah man, I have to walk to school. Walk from Youth and go to Charlie Mount, you see me? Them way there. And I did people did love me, so we see a taxi man and I did respectful to people. We see a taxi man and I show him a prayer and we all give me a ride, you see me? Then we give me a ride and say, know yourself man, and I go to school, me and my friend them, then we bust me for local food and people in the canteen did love we. So we do look wash up 2 pot and get a free box food and them sitting there. Yeah, we didn't know if we survive. But me I tell us that the life they still never did good. You see me? It never did too good. You see me? The life there, a rough life, never did too good. I mean I tell her, yeah, rough. I tell her say it's rough. But saying that to say, them life to kinda help me still no. It help me because I come in America and I come living in 2020. I mean I tell us brother, since I come to America, I start to find myself a grey year. Yeah man. Start to find myself a grey year. I'm there in Jamaica, I'm not a grey year. You was like this country just put you underneath a whole heap of, like your mind always have to think. Your mind always have to think and overthink, and the overthinking just put you in a depression or stress and all them something there, brother. All them something. I mean I tell you say if I in the rough life the way me grow and experience, probably would have crash out, probably would have mad. But you see, through me I come from a place where it is so tough and rough, but still try to maintain my sanity. You see me? Enough time I did there, me just feel, hi brother. I mean I say, oh me feel so. You see me? Yeah, I have to do a little running or I go drive out, go somewhere, you know, have a one drink or sitting, try to calm down my brain. You see me? Cause so much things to do. You know? Bills to pay, you them to take care of this a pop up, that the shit there pop up. So much things a pop up. You see me? I mean I tell us not pretty. So sometimes people see America and these overseas country, brother, and feel like say you want just left Jamaica and get a chance to come to my place. When you get a chance to come to my place, you can make life, you know. Don't get me wrong, you can make life, you know. But you have to make the right decision them. You have to make the right decision them and you have to be around the right people. You have to be around the right family and friend who are going to help you, because you will come here and family and friend turn them back on you. You see me? As you start make a little food, you work and they expect say you're amongst them. You give them all of your money. You're not going to receive none, not send none back a yard. You see me? Not like that, them just get greedy, brother. Because them a go through stress too, you know. So you a make money, them a pray your money. You see what I say? Yeah man, so me I tell a brother, from Jamaica to here, so man. Me I tell you say my life is a journey. Me have whole heap more story for share. Whole heap more story for share. Whole heap more story for share. And me sharing my stories, I hope say the next person can listen and I say if I this them I go through it one day and me can hold it, then can hold it. You see me? Them can hold it. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give in, don't surrender. No matter where you go through, just remember say there's a God. And God great and God powerful, and just pray. Just pray. Always pray. Sometimes we grew up in a church, going Sunday school and them thing there. And we come a foreign, it's like we forget about church. But then you can't even find a good church. So it's like we forget about church and we just live. Anything if we can't just live, we have to have God in our way. We have to incorporate God in everything we do. So even if we don't go to one church or foreign because we can't find a good church, every morning make sure you play some gospel song, pray. When you rise up in the morning, in the daytime, if you did in your mind, just run bang God, say a little prayer. You see me? Even before you go to your bed, pray. Run some gospel. Now if you listen, you dance all and reggae all the time. Make sure you incorporate like a God in your business, brother. You see me I say? Yeah man, incorporate like a God in your business. Cause a God alone, I say what I'm in a situation I made a bust off. And some gospel music. I couldn't play a reggae music or a dancehall music to make me head calm. And some gospel, I have to pray. Especially when I'm in a spot, I always draw back to my favorite gospel song when I break every chain. And I just do a mid span that and I just have it on repeat and tears are run through my eye. And it actually helped heal, calm down my nerves because I didn't feel like it I got bust off. So I say still, nobody not perfect still. Nobody not perfect. Everybody's journey is all different. But I say, the life that we grow at Jamaica, it build with a situation like this. The rough life there, it build with a situation like this when we come a country like this. You see me? Yeah man, so whatever we go through in our life, we have to be grateful for it because God knows what I do. God knows what I do. We have to be grateful for it. And when we go through some hard times, just ask him, say, yo, what me learn through the hard time, yeah. So when times are that hard, me know, do no foolishness to make back the times hard, you see me? Prepare yourself for the good times, you know, mess up the good times, you see me? I mean, I've been messing up all my life, It's like every time something for going good for me, and some money for flow in my life, something bad happen. It's like it's an ongoing thing. It's like you put 3-5 foot forward, and then something happen, you take 10 steps back. But me as a youth, me still not give up. Me can't give up. Me can't give up. Me have to keep on fight. Because me have my youths to live for. Me have to set a foundation for them. And me have to ensure that when me go through in a life, them can't go through it in a life. You see me? Me have to ensure that yo, me do it for them. Me can't do it. My happiness right now, my happiness, me not even care about my happiness right now. I just me youths them happiness. You see me? Make sure that my youths them alright. So they can have a foundation to be comfortable in a life. So them can add on upon that. So when them get youth, it will be easier for them youth and we can have some generational wealth develop down the line, as me, and come out of poverty and all them something there. Yeah man. So I just say a thing man. Me just wake up this morning and I tell you say yo, me have to start share some of my experience and because it may reach out to a youth, you know, a man, woman, and then can relate to your situation and keep strong. You see me? No, nobody think about if you go take them life and all of them something. No, one life you have, don't take a life. There's always a solution. You see me? No matter you think you're in a worse problem in a life, trust and believe that somebody out there go through something worse than you. So never give up, have faith, keep fighting and stay strong. You see me? I have a whole heap more stories to come, a whole heap more experience I'm growing up. You know, my father, my mother, you know, I sleep in a full cube at night time, get locked out of one room. Whole heap of shit me have to share. But we're gonna start it right here. So my new mood, my new channel, me change the channel now. Real Jamaican life experience. Yeah, so I'm gonna share my experience and if as me gradually share mine, if somebody will make a video and share for them, I go figure out how to set up where you can reach me probably on WhatsApp or whatnot. And yeah, you if you want to share your experience and post it, something like that, vice versa. Yeah, but I'll delete Instagram and delete TikTok because I can't take too much distraction. Instagram and TikTok are just distraction. I mean I delete YouTube and a vibe say yo don't delete YouTube. Because when I want to listen to a gospel, way I go. So I say I go stick and I hold on the YouTube channel then. But I not too focused on TikTok and Instagram. You see me? So yeah people, that is it. Real Jamaican life experience. We just share some experience, you know, as we every day upon the channel and all of that. So big up on yourself. If you don't like what we are talking, if you like what we are talking about, you know, you can share the video. You can make a friend subscribe and we'll just keep the channel going, you see me? Yeah man, but everybody just stay strong and stay positive, you know. And no matter what. Oh, and the back of me and a breadfruit. America me and a breadfruit at the tree. You see me? I don't even know how I can't eat. And me not go out to buy it and test it. Because they say anything go to eat, you can't buy it. So. But yeah, man, big up on yourself. Linstead, big up on yourself. Senti, big up on yourself. You see me? Slipe, Anton, Lacovia, big up on yourself. Banbury, big up on yourself. You see me? Bagua, big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Homestead, Spanish Town, right there, so big up on yourself. You know, Papine, don't know. Land lease, down there, so. Tavern, up there, so. All of them look a spot there, you know, so we always there, them place, so big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, I'm out.